Hello and welcome everyone to today's lesson on working with Magic Studio. In this lesson, I will demonstrate practically how these tools work and how you can utilize them. So let's get started. The first tool in the Magic Studio is the background remover, which can remove the background from an image with a single click. Now let me show you the magic. First, select the image, then click on Edit Photo, and finally choose the background remover tool. As you can see, the background has been removed from the image with a single click. If you want, you can restore the background using the Restore option. You can also adjust the brush size to manually delete or restore the background. Next, we have the Magic Eraser tool. This feature makes it simple to remove items from your photo, much like erasing pencil marks on paper. So let me show you how it works. First, select your image, then the Magic Eraser tool in the photo editor. After that, select the area you want to remove from your image. I'll choose this element. As you can see, the selected part has been perfectly removed from my image and blended into it. You can also adjust the brush size to select the area to erase. Let me erase this element this time. As you can see, this element has been perfectly erased from the image. Next, there is the Magic Expand tool. It works as a photo makeover wizard. It can correct improper framing, zoom in on specific areas of the image, or even convert a vertical photo to a horizontal one. So let's see how it works. So here is my image, which is incomplete as you can see. To make it complete, I will expand it to the left side. Select the image and then choose Magic Expand. Now expand the frame to the area where you want to finish your image. Here's the result. The image is perfectly completed, and there are 4 options to choose from. Choose the one that looks best to you. After that, there's the Magic Edit tool. This tool can easily remove distractions or add new things to your photos with a few clicks. And if you want to add something new, you can do that too. It's like magic. Just use your mouse to brush over the parts you want to change and then tell the program what you want to add. So let's see how it works. This is the image where I'll be using this tool. As you can see, the scooter is orange, but I'll use this tool to change it to yellow. So let's do it. First, select the image. After that, select the Magic Edit tool. Adjust the brush size. Then select the area with the brush that you want to edit. Then continue. Now, describe what you want. I'm giving command for changing the scooter color. Then generate. It's done. As you can see, this scooter has been changed from orange to yellow, and there are 4 more options to choose from. You can select the one you like best. Moving on to the Magic Grab tool, it's extremely useful. This tool allows you to separate the background and foreground in a single click so that you can adjust them separately. So let's see how this tool works. Select the image first, then click on Magic Grab. It's done. My foreground and background are separated, and I can now tweak them individually. Lastly, there's the Magic Text tool. This one's like having a magic pen. You can easily add or edit text on your photos. So here's the image with text. As you can see, I can't edit this text because it's an image with no text option, but I can easily change it using this text. Grab Tool. So let's see how the magic works. Select your image, then click the On Grab text. As you can see, this image was converted into text. Now, I can change the text font to any style. As you can see, I'm able to change the font type for this text. Additionally, I can adjust the font size. You can do whatever change you want in the text. And that's a wrap on this lesson working with magic tools. You've learned some awesome tricks for enhancing your designs with Canva's magic tools. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment. Stay tuned for more great lessons. Until next time, happy designing